How to use these indicators? It is easy. Let's take the example of a private company wishing to monitor the risk of their suppliers, or a bank assessing the money laundering risk of its clients. The indicators can be purchased and downloaded from Crime&tech website. They may be cross-checked with a list of suppliers or clients, or incorporated in proprietary databases and models, for example, in a bank's AML software. This allows to identify those suppliers and customers at higher risk and on which enhanced due diligence is necessary. Our indicators can also be enriched and combined with other parameters and red flags, for example, financial information, so as to improve the risk assessment. They can also be easily transformed into maps and charts for management reports and scenario analysis. Who can be interested? Many stakeholders for many goals. Banks, professionals, private and public institutions, insurance companies, data providers, universities and research centers. Crime&tech, from university to business, to monitor and prevent security and criminal risks.